Welcome to my tutorials of the Car and Train channel. Today we are going to see how the ratio air-gas in the carburetor is very important. It's a very simple carburetor, but it applies to anything. Sometimes people say, oh, I flooded my engine. We are going to see what is happening. The engine is a lukewarm. I've just started it a little bit. We are going to see what happens if I try to start it without the choke. You see, it does not start. Why? Because the gas, the mist of gas and air, when it comes in the cylinders, it's too lean. The cylinders, they are cold, and basically the mist become liquid, and the spark are not able, the spark of the spark plug are not able to light the mist of gas. So that's the reason why you put the choke. By putting the choke here, I am closing the air. So when the piston is going to draft, it's going to draft much more gas and fewer air. So let's see one time. Okay, here you heard that it got started. And then it's stalled. Why? Because very likely now I have admitted too much gas for the quantity of air. Let me try again. You see, it does not start. So it's too much. I'm going to remove the choke. I'm removing the choke completely, and you are going to see that suddenly the good ratio is going to be in the cylinders. When you have issues to get your engine started, your internal combustion engine, it's very likely because you have not met the ratio. No choke, you are running lean. Choke, you are running rich, but there is an optimum point which is called the stochiometric point between the ratio air-gas, which is when it's lighting the mist of gas. You need to be exactly at that ratio. If you have any questions, please ask them through the comment section, and thank you for listening to this explanation. And one last time,